little brother like fucking loves Friday Nights at Freddy's. I don't know shit about that shit. I watched like a 45-minute video on it, and it was actually invested.
How long were we together before you got married?
We were together for 7 years, but he cheated on me with his 2 best friends' wives.
Whoa.
Yeah.
I got one up for you. My ex-wife slept with my biological father.
Nigga, is this a cheating contest? What did you get out of that, bro? I got one for you. I fucked my dad.
Welcome to The Button, a speed dating show. When the button lights up red, either player may press it and swap out their date for a new person.
Get out of here.
If 2 people can last on a date for 10 minutes, they win an all expenses paid second date.
This
is the Divorce Couples Edition, bro. Divorce Couples Edition.
Yeah. Chris, nice to meet you. I'm good. I love the watermelon.
Why she sit down like that, bro?
So Chris, do you eat oatmeal?
Yes, I do.
Bro, she look like one of them soccer moms, bro. She look like one of them soccer moms that be fucking they kids, homies and shit, bro.
You do?
Mm-hmm.
How often?
I don't know. Maybe 3 times a week.
So I eat ass. My fault. She fine.
My guy friends told me guys that eat oatmeal eat kitty cat.
You mean guys that eat oatmeal eat pussy?
Yeah.
It's true for me. So.
It's true for you. Okay. I mean, that's what I was been told. So, I'm trying to go off of that, that sexual chemistry.
Yeah, you can tell she been married. That shit was ass. But continue.
No, I feel you on that one. So, what do you eat?
Why is it so awkward?
I
Skip.
love chicken tenders. Chicken nuggets.
Chicken nuggets or chicken tenders? Because tenders are like longer chicken nuggets.
I don't like this nigga. Skip.
So why'd you push it
Skip. Cause you're a fucking weirdo, nigga. Nigga, she asked if you ate pussy. Your ass talking about chicken tenders. Cause they're longer. Nigga, ask if she eat dick. Nigga, she eat the whole dick up. Nigga, from the back. Nigga.
You're just not my type.
Damn.
It was really nice to
Thank
meet
you.
you.
You as
Damn.
Thank you, Chris.
I'm not going to use the oatmeal on the next guy now.
Bro, she weird?
Hi. I'm Fatia. Nice to meet you.
That nigga like a Super Smash Bro champion.
Oatmeal?
Yeah, oatmeal.
I mean, sometimes. Do you?
Do you, Button?
I eat a lot of oatmeal.
He's a very nice dude. He's love.
I mean, don't see a reason to eat a whole lot of oatmeal when there's other things.
That you...
This nigga is a nerd. This nigga is a nerd.
I mean, don't see a reason to eat a whole lot of oatmeal when there's other things.
That you can eat?
Yeah.
Would you tell him why you want to know if he eats oatmeal?
My guy friends told me that guys that like to eat oatmeal like to go down on girls.
Okay, if you really want to know if a guy is going to go down on you, do you drink, by the way?
I do.
Okay.
Yeah.
So I'll be doing Jello shots. Most people will do Jello shots. They'll just take it and they'll squeeze it. And no.
Nah, you gotta lick it.
Take my tongue, lick it through, and when it comes out, it should be completely clean.
Ooh.
You all right, Button?
I'm feeling a little sparky.
Nah, I ain't gonna lie. This nigga giving me League of Legends, World of Warcraft type vibes.
So how many long-term relationships have you been in total in your life?
Probably like 4 or 5.
Okay. I've been in 2 long-term relationships.
Which one was your marriage?
The longest-term relationship.
How long was that?
That was 15 years.
15.
Damn. Why?
Okay. And for what?
I think you're just a little too old.
Okay.
Yeah.
Damn.
I feel like we
Old?
had a
How old is she?
conversation,
I feel like we
though.
did too. Good luck.
Thank you so much.
We're gonna send in somebody younger.
He's respectable though. He's
I'm
respectable.
Yeah.
What about Moose?
Moose?
Yeah.
Hey.
What do you like to do for fun?
I'm a huge nerd.
Whole ass slut bitch. This nigga got it,
League
bro.
of Legends.
League of Legends.
I
Okay.
go to work. I come home. I make my kids some food, and I league it up.
Okay.
I'm very much a homebody. I'm not somebody that you would take hiking.
No way. Yeah, thank you, bro. Why the fuck she creeping up on a button? Press that bitch, bro.
Ouch.
You probably rejected me because I was gonna reject you.
Yeah.
Why were you going to reject Moose?
I was just hoping that like when we connected on like the nerd vibe, that you knew what League of Legends was.
Oh, I do.
Oh, okay. I was
Yeah.
hoping that like you could say
Yeah,
something
I-
like,
I-
"Oh,
I
we'll
just-
play together" or something.
You can tear her ass
I'm not a
up.
big computer games guy.
I ain't gonna lie, I would too. You see that motherfucker? I would too. I ain't gonna lie.
Console. Okay.
Console and computer, terrible match. Get out of here, Fatih.
Bro, I just killed a squirrel. What the hell?
I thought you two were a good match.
She got that motherfucker, bro.
If only you liked League of Legends.
I haven't played it before.
I haven't played it either.
What did I sign up for?
Oh, that's a grown ass
My name
woman.
is Moose.
Oh, that's a grown ass woman.
Oh, I'm Bree.
Yes. It's a childhood nickname after I hit my growth spurt.
And a moose was the closest that would.
Yeah. The way I got it is when I walk in front of the TV, my dad was like, "Oh, it's like seeing a moose cross the freeway," because I covered the entire TV.
Yo, what's up with that nigga arms?
My mom was like, "I like that."
Cute. That's cute.
So, on a Friday night, what do you do?
It's summer right
I ain't gonna
now,
lie, that tattoo is so
like,
hard
I
to me,
like
bro.
to Be at the range, golf range,
Oh, I thought.
Oh, I
you
thought she meant the gun range.
gun range. Oh yeah.
How far can you drive a ball?
It depends on how much liquor I've had.
So you get
Oh
drunk.
yeah, that's a grown ass woman.
Absolutely.
Wait, what the button
So
say?
you get drunk and you hit balls.
Absolutely.
Oh my
Absolutely.
God. What
I'm
the
not
fuck
going
is
out there
that?
unless there is liquor.
Moose was a bud tender for 4 years.
A butt tender?
I think the button knows that I took a smoke break earlier today.
Bree, are you back with us fully?
I mean, I smoke a lot of weed, so there's always a little bit of haze.
I love weed. I'm actually diagnosed with
My
bipolar.
fault, it's too early.
So anything to calm my mind.
Hey man, you all good, man.
Going through my manic episodes, it helps.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Who gonna skip? Yeah. That nigga look like a weirdo though, bro. You gotta be honest with yourself
I have
sometimes.
ADHD, fairly bad. I don't know how your mania and my mania
Okay.
would mesh, because I can be very, like, manic sometimes.
Yeah, I get that.
Yeah.
Yeah, she look annoying as fuck.
I should have finished my mimosa.
Hi, my name is Zara.
Bree,
Nice to meet you.
Okay.
how old are you?
Okay, nigga came out looking clean as hell. Talking like Drizzy and shit.
That was quick. Dang, I'm 35.
I mean, we ain't got all day.
How old are you?
28.
28.
Yeah.
Okay.
Do you have any children?
I do have children. I have twins, and I have 2 from a prior marriage.
Oh, wow.
Yeah. How about you? You have any kids?
I do.
Okay.
Yeah. Would you ever have any more children?
I do want some more, because right now their mom actually lives in
35, yeah, he
Minnesota,
said he 35.
So it's rare that I get to see them, and that's the main thing.
Oh my goodness.
Oh, that was a wait. They didn't fuck with each other. What happened?
R01.
Why did you press it?
I just didn't feel like you were vibing.
Yeah.
I said that, and you just weren't vibing with it.
Bro, that tattoo is hard, bro. It says phenomenal woman. That shit is hard. I fuck with that tattoo, bro.
I just didn't want to.
That's different.
Sorry, Bree.
Sorry. Yeah. I feel bad now.
What?
For what?
I'm not a person that does well with rejection, and I just had to reject somebody, so I kind of feel bad. How's it going? How you doing?
I'm Megan.
Aro, nice.
No,
to
it
meet
ain't,
you.
nigga.
You?
So what's
Hey,
your
man, I
favorite
fuck with it,
snack?
bro.
Favorite snack? I have a 4-piece, Peachios, popcorn, Pepsi, and pickles.
That's a big bitch. What she, nigga, she sat down talking about food off the rip. Shorty ass acting like Phantom.
Nice to meet you.
So what's your favorite snack?
Favorite snack? I have a 4-piece, Peachios, popcorn, Pepsi, and pickles.
Okay.
Gotta eat them all together.
Okay. All
What
together?
the fuck?
What's your favorite snack then? Since that was really judgmental on mine.
Probably hot Cheetos. Hot
Love
Cheetos.
hot Cheetos.
Yeah.
Get the red fingertips.
I use
You got those little
I use
things?
chopsticks.
Okay, look at you.
What?
dancing.
It's not that I don't like getting my hands dirty. It's just I just like using chopsticks.
Megan, how do you feel about dating men with kids?
I'm not gonna have any kids. So, do you have kids?
I do have kids. I have twins. Yeah.
Sorry.
Why don't you want kids?
Cause I'm already 40 years old. I probably
Damn.
can't even have them at this point. So that's the biggest reason.
Understandable.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Bro, honestly, how can you go without having kids in your life, nigga? That's kind of crazy to think about. Like, you don't want to leave behind no type of legacy. You want your bloodline to just die right there.
Hi there. How are you? Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
What do you do for work?
I am a coordinator for window and door installation. So basically, I'm a
Boring.
babysitter. I just boss grown men around to make sure they're where they're supposed to be. What about you?
I'm a supervisor at a sawmill.
Are you good with your hands, Jonathan?
I'm very good with my hands. What kind of things are you into?
I'll be honest, I'm fairly lame. I spend a lot of time with
We can
my
tell.
dog.
What kind of dog do you have?
He's just a scruffy terrier mutt.
Okay.
I think he's pretty sweet.
Yeah, that's
I'm
okay.
sorry.
Bro, her life is
Why did you want me?
boring.
Just not my type.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Have a good
What's
one.
your type?
Thank you. I don't know. We
Yes,
just
you
weren't
do.
clicking.
You know your type. She like black men, bro.
He's gone.
What's your type?
I don't know, just not the hat.
What attracts you?
Honestly, I don't know.
Black
it's like
dick.
porn. You like can't describe it. You just know it when you see it.
Do you watch porn?
I do.
What do you like?
Hey, how you doing? What did I just walk
Hey,
in on?
hold on. I'm Megan.
Hi, Megan. I'm Michael.
Oh,
Nice to
okay.
Nice to meet
Yeah.
you. So you watch porn? Is that what she asked? Is
Yeah.
that the button asked?
Watch porn. I mean, usually, honestly, it's a little girl on girl sometimes.
She don't even look good
Okay.
enough to have a type. That's a
really watch
crazy
girl.
bar, bro. That's a crazy bar,
Not
bro.
for me.
You gotta
But,
feel
I mean,
like you're in it.
That is a crazy bar.
Exactly. I have to watch. If I'm gonna watch porn, I have to watch something that I can
that
feel
makes-
like I'm a part of.
That makes sense.
Yeah,
That's why I like girl on girl, because guys in the porn, they're usually like, you're doing too much.
Yeah. So what would you say was like the worst thing that happened to you on a date?
On a date?
We're
I don't
here.
think that I've ever had like, well, except for one guy that was like, I'm an entrepreneur. I do that. He was unemployed.
Oh, okay.
Basically,
He was unemployed.
He was poor and a liar.
Yeah.
Megan has never dated
Poor
anyone.
and a liar. Oh,
How old
shit.
are you, Mike?
I am 40.
I'm 42.
See, perfect.
Yeah, you don't look
usually
40
date
at all.
older?
These some
Neither
old ass
It's
niggas,
a
bro.
blessing.
do you. It
They
is.
say black don't crack. You ever dated a black man?
I have a couple, but mainly I've dated generic white men.
Generic? What is a generic white man?
I
You
knew
know,
it, bro.
Brown hair, light eyes, beard. It's obviously not served me well.
Oh, all right. So you would be open to branching out and
Yeah.
okay.
Yeah, it's just
Nigga, that black dick got her smiling something crazy. I know her type.
whoever I have a vibe with.
So how long you been single?
Well, I've been divorced for like 6 years.
Oh.
We were together for 7 years, and then we got married. We were married for 2, but he cheated on me with his 2 best friends' wives. Well, I found out about one.
Whoa.
Yeah.
I got one up for you. My ex-wife slept with my biological father.
No.
And 2 of my homeboys. All in within like 6 months.
Bro. Anyway, bro. I ain't gonna lie, that nigga whole family, whoever that nigga hanging around, bro, that nigga need to quit it, bro. Yeah, I don't know. He need to cut them niggas off, bro. Your dad and your 2 best friends, bro. What the fuck going on? You know his dick fat as hell, no cap. That was crazy.
Talk
That
about
was a
trauma.
crazy bar, bro.
Yeah.
You two find it hard to trust people now?
Sometimes I can be very afraid. I feel like the last person that I was heavily involved with, I ran away from it, even though I knew that this person was a safe space for me.
That's I say that it's ruined like trust for me, but then I get fucked over again. So obviously I'm giving away the trust
Yeah, but you
too
can't.
quickly.
And I think
Still.
it's once we get older, you kind of like you learn that you can't really put everybody in that same category.
Yeah,
you can't
gotta
make
give 'em a
some-
chance.
Yeah, you can't make the next
That
person. pay for
motherfucker
what the
can't
last
be
person-
fat if she going for pops.
Are you two attracted to one another?
I'm gonna take a fast.
Yeah, I said
Bro,
that.
this nigga
I
here.
just like the good back and forth. Being able to have a conversation is a very important thing to me.
Yeah.
So being
Not
able to have a conversation.
too awkward.
No, it's not awkward at all.
Yeah.
It's not awkward at all. And the transparency. You like, I just feel like you're genuine.
Okay, this nigga locking eyes with her and shit. He letting her know that she the only woman in the world right now. I fuck with it.
Yeah.
So yeah, I enjoy it.
Would you trust each other enough to go on a second date?
Yeah,
I would.
absolutely.
I'm gonna go red one more time.
Okay.
Nobody presses me. I'm gonna
Yeah, she
consider
finna clean this shit up.
Okay.
All right.
See, I've seen this too many times where they press it.
Nah.
Yeah, I don't know, bro. She just look like she got some shit.
Different color.
She look like she got some
Yes,
shit.
We're going on a second date paid for by us. And the button.
Thank you,
Baller
buddy.
Pure
button.
throated. She give me Sarah J vibes. Feel me? If you know, you know.